Nkosana killer Ximba is another name linked to the murder of Lolly Jackson. He was a known figure in the South African underworld and was alleged to have played a significant role in the events surrounding Jackson's death. Background and allegations. Underworld connections. Ximba had connections with various criminal elements in South Africa and was involved in organized crime. His nickname, Killer, reflected his feared reputation within these circles. Role in Jackson's murder. Ximba was suspected of being involved in the murder of Lolly Jackson. It was alleged that he was part of the group that carried out the assassination. According to some reports, he was involved in the planning or execution of the murder, although the exact nature of his involvement has not been definitively proven in court. Legal troubles. Ximba faced numerous legal issues and was implicated in various criminal activities beyond Jackson's murder. His criminal activities and connections with other figures in the case, including entrenched, further complicated the investigation. Involvement in the case. The exact details of Ximba's involvement in Jackson's murder are complex and somewhat murky. The case has many layers, involving multiple suspects, various criminal factions, and extensive legal maneuvers. Ximba's exact role has been part of the broader investigation into Jackson's death. And while he was a significant figure in the case, conclusive evidence directly linking him to the murder has been difficult to establish. Overall, the murder of Lolly Jackson remains a high-profile, unsolved case with numerous theories and suspects, including Ximba. The intertwining of criminal activities and the elusive nature of the involved parties have made it a challenging case for investigators. Early life and background. Ximba's early life is not well documented, but he emerged as a notable figure in the criminal underworld in South Africa. His background and rise in the criminal world are marked by connections with various organized crime networks. Criminal career. Ximba was involved in various criminal activities, including extortion, drug trafficking, and other forms of organized crime. His connections with prominent figures in the criminal world contributed to his reputation. Associations with entrenched. Ximba had associations with entrenched, a notorious Czech fugitive and criminal. Entrenchd's influence and criminal operations in South Africa added complexity to the investigations involving Ximba. Involvement in Lolly Jackson's murder. Ximba was suspected of being involved in the murder of Lolly Jackson, a high-profile businessman and strip club owner. While details are murky, it was believed that Ximba was part of the criminal network involved in Jackson's assassination. Throughout his career, Ximba faced legal issues related to his criminal activities. His involvement in Jackson's murder and other crimes led to heightened scrutiny and legal challenges. Arrests and legal proceedings. Ximba was arrested and faced charges related to his criminal activities. His legal battles were intertwined with the broader investigations into organized crime in South Africa. Ongoing investigation. The investigation into Jackson's murder and Ximba's role in it has been complex, with many leads and theories but no definitive resolution. The case remains high-profile due to its connections to organized crime and high-profile individuals. Ximba's career reflects the broader issues of organized crime and corruption in South Africa, with his involvement in high-profile cases like the murder of Lolly Jackson, highlighting the challenges faced by law enforcement in addressing such crimes.